Hello, my name is Carly, and today I'll be talking to you about bad breath and what you can do to prevent it. Do you wake up with a funny taste in your mouth? Or does your partner or family complain that your breath smells? If you answered yes, you aren't the only one, as it is a common issue in most households. Typically, people think that bad breath is caused by people not brushing their teeth, but bad breath can be caused by a wide variety of reasons. A few common causes of bad breath can be associated with poor oral hygiene, mouth breathing, in particular while sleeping. That's the reason some get morning breath worse than others. Types of food and drink, such as sugary and acidic foods and alcohol. Certain medications, gum disease, smoking, reflux, among many other systemic illnesses. The reason we get bad breath is the level of bacteria that is allowed to build up on your teeth. When the plaque and bacteria are allowed to stay in the mouth on the teeth for a long period of time, the gums can become irritated, sore, and you may also find that you have a funny taste in your mouth. Generally, when someone finds something painful, they tend to leave the area alone. Whilst the problem does sometimes resolve itself, it could also become a bigger issue. Mouth breathing and snoring are also causes of bad breath. When you breathe from your mouth, you will notice very quickly that the mouth tends to dry out. The saliva that we produce has the job of washing away any bugs from the mouth. Another way of looking at it is what happens when we blink. The fluid moistens the eyes and washes away any dust or dirt that may be in the eye. It's a similar concept as to why the body does what it does. Another reason to get things looked at, if it is an ongoing issue for you, is that research shows us that there's a link between oral health and our systemic health. While most patients only go to the GP when something is wrong or you have to, you really should make it a priority to see your dentist or dental therapist every 6 months. This allows them to clean your teeth professionally and ensure that there's nothing wrong with the health of your gums or teeth. So, how can you prevent this from ruining your relationship or social life? Number 1 is good oral hygiene. Yes, we all brush our teeth, but there are days that we forget, rush, or some people just can't be bothered. But also some people haven't been shown the most effective toothbrushing technique. Think of it as showering after a long day at work and a sweaty session at the gym. Would you really go to bed without showering? I hope not. It's important to brush twice a day with a fluoride toothpaste. This will remove any food or bugs that are in the mouth. Number 2 is to floss. I know many people groan about how much of a hindrance flossing can be, but flossing allows you to clean where the toothbrush can't. If you can't commit to once a day, start out slow, like riding a bike without training wheels. Here are some simple tips that helped me personally get into a daily routine. Floss after dinner while sitting on the couch. Do this while you're watching your favourite TV show, while you're in the shower, or while you're reading the paper. As you get more into routine, you can adjust it to a time that suits you. It is only once a day and doesn't take long once you've perfected it. If you find flossing hard, there are also many other tools that are out there to help you. Number 4 is to see your dentist and/or dental therapist every 6 months. As I said earlier, this ensures that your gum and tooth health are maintained and cleaned professionally. In addition to that, as previously mentioned, we would screen for any other health issues because sometimes bad breath is one of the signs of an underlying systemic illness that could potentially have a significant impact on your life without you realising it. Here at Sparkle, our team want to make your appointment about you and for you to relax in a spa-like environment while your treatment is being done. And lastly, make sure you drink plenty of water and reduce the amount of sugary foods that you eat. These are simple lifestyle changes that will not only benefit your oral health, but also your general health. So, if you haven't been to a dentist in a while and have a breath issue, call the wonderful front office staff now and book in for an appointment today. We look forward to seeing you soon.